Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Joy Alway. Today, we will dive into something important responsive web design. That is related lines unit in CSS. I know you might be thinking, units sound boring. But trust me, understanding these units is a game changer for building flexible, adaptive layout. So, let's break it down. Okay, before we study today's topic, if you enjoy our content, please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to my video, and click the notification bell also. You can get up to date on new content and interact with me directly. I'm excited to have you here and can't wait to dive into today's topic. Let's go.